Stories are really helpful to make others feel passionate about a mission. I think that leadership and business in general, I think it's the strongest way to bring people together and move towards a common goal. The best way to do that is get everyone on the same page through stories.
It was amazing. I learned how to structure your stories, how you can make your story authentic, emotional, engaging, and the different part of the stories, how to put in a way that connects to your audience. That I learned here.
Story Lab is especially unique because it's where people have self-selected to come and help each other invest in their stories and make them better. I today have found insights that I couldn't have found if I hadn't had the one-on-one conversations with vulnerable people that showed up, and that's what helped me refine my stories.
In terms of learning, creativity is at the height of being able to understand concepts, apply them, and then create something new with them. And I believe in the art of storytelling, it's incredibly crucial to not only understand what you're talking about, but be able to create new ideas through those stories and to inspire others to, learn from your stories and create new experiences through them.
I had a hard time coming up with interview responses because I know that they really want narrative, but they also want it to be concise. So this has really helped me to practice that.